Assalamualaikum, marhaban bikum fi qanati. Alhamdulillah. Third day ya baba? اليوم هو يوم الثلاثاء جمعة. سلام جمعة. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. أصبحنا وأصبح الملك لله. الحمد لله لا شريك له. لا إله إلا هو إليه النشور. صباح الخير اسكندرية. Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I'm now at Alexandria, Egypt. The weather today is 16 degrees Celsius, but it feels so cold, like 13 degrees Celsius, and it's windy today. Inshallah, after breakfast, we will go to the Stefano Mall by Karim, and then go to my sister's house by tram. We're going to the Stefano Mall. Inshallah. All women clothing. Flowers, yes, I see. Is that perfume? Can you explain? All halal. No issue. Yeah. Fun city but so serious. It's very smart. They put the candy and issues in front of the fun city.
She was like,
Boneless turkey. Brand Farah is the brand Farah, right? This one how much?
300.
300?
This 250. This
The 300, this one, this kind of material.
this 300.
It's just azan just now. So they have like masjid for men and musalla for women, inshallah. Very premium location for salat place. The blue or yellow because it has both color. Blue.
Yeah, it's blue. Yani if it's all blue, yani like this.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, the blue, not the line, yani makes it yellow.
Okay, okay.
But then all of the tram is yellow.
Ah.
You know the tram that you photographed in Qalat Fathallah last time you came.
San Stefano Mall. There's a bookstore, boss.
باشا بقى او لا اسمه مشتريات.
We will stop at the
Stop the next station, so we will go the.
Usually how to pay the fees? He will collect from us, boleh?
What?
The ticket. place. I like to be like this bazaar. This one? Bagus.
They can afford يعني.
Yeah. I like to experience. Yeah. There is like this color but van. This one. This one. This one also public?
Yeah, it's also public.
Okay. مشروع. Ah, I see. Looks modern little bit. Next week. يلا.
And you see the yellow this is tuk-tuk.
يلا هنا be inside. Which way we will go?
خليكي قدامنا واحنا
This is different way like yesterday.
لا هو ده الزين.
We passed this yesterday, right?
ده كشري هناك.
Oh yeah. What street is this actually? This street has many food. What street is this? The name of the street? Tomazin. When I can read the Google Map to see. This is what? Like lime?
It's called haramtash. It's like a sweet and sour. يعني sour more. Sour fruit.
I think because it's like traditional food.
Yeah.
We're not used to. Slime? Which one? Pink or red? Pink or yellow?
Yellow.
Yellow? They put lantern inside.
See, there's a hole.
Yeah.
Down.
It's okay. The uncle is there to help you every time. Habibi. We are in the MashaAllah. Nice house. As always. Bismillah. Mulkhiyya. MashaAllah. Goulash. Here goulash. Goulash.
جلاش باللحمه المفرومه. دجين.
Because jeruk. This one. Terung but something inside, Rabah.
ها؟
Terung, brinjal.
ده
Or
مخلل.
something. Mukhalil.
نخلي الجزر ونخلي البصل. احنا ليه نبيت هنا يا بنتي؟
المحشي اهو
محشي.
عم شو بك؟
بسم الله.
استنى بس عايزين نحجز لمي وعم هنا اهوت يا سيدي الله يخليك يا أمي الله يخليك انا عايزه اشيل رقاق المي وعمرو دول
لا سيدي العزت صالحات.
حلاوة بالنوتيلا. كنافة
ليه كده؟ لا والله بس. على فكرة أنا طول عمري الحوادق ولما أخلص الحوادق طعم بكم حاجة كده.
شكل ليمون.
The round one,
بس طعم السمنة البلدي كده جميل أوي.
Looks like nut.
خلي شكل ليمون ولا صوابع زينب؟ رموش الست اصلا. رموش الست على فكرة.
the women lashes رموش
Not okay.
تتناك اقسم بالله العظيم انا هروح اجيب المكنه بدل ما نمشي لغايه زهربان.
Also mostly at the cafe at this hour ni mostly men lah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Ayo. Yeah, after this one.
ايه ارجع.
Go, go. Mama says more local.
Yeah.
We still have time? Your brain function. Favorite section. Tea. Local tea. Terus coffee. Abu Auf. Let's have a look. Oh. Finally, I see it. This is like stylish abaya, not like Saudi abaya.